Hello, it's Monica from Crafting with Quilling and I hope you have absolutely wonderful day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful white and gold elegant wedding card. For today's project, I'm going to use Persian Flower stamp by Woodware. And you can use it for slimline cards, but also for any cards you want. And to decorate my beautiful wedding card, I decided to do gold heat embossing on vellum. And to do it, I've got a scrap piece of vellum and I'm going to use my anti-static bag just to make sure I don't have any fingertips whenever I stamp my image. And to stamp it, I'm going to use Versamark ink, which is clear, transparent and sticky. And this way it is so much easier to do heat embossing. And to give my card more interest, I decided to use gold embossing powder. It is my favorite and I think it is perfect for any wedding cards. And I wonder, what is your favorite color palette for weddings? Please let me know in the comments down below. As it is Monday, it is personalized card. So this one was made for a colleague of mine and recently he got married. So I thought, yes, I really need to make that special card. And also, if you haven't seen the video from last Monday, it is also a wedding card with similar color palette, but it's totally different card. So if you haven't seen it, I really encourage you to have a look at it. The link is in the top right corner and also in the description down below. Now I'm fussy cutting that beautiful flower. As you can see, it is not that difficult. I'm trying to leave a tiny gap in between the gold embossing powder and the vellum. But you don't have to do it. You can actually cut next to the line and it will be perfect too. I really wanted to give my card a little bit subtle effect. That's why I decided to use vellum instead of white card for all those beautiful flowers. And as you can see, it is super quick and easy, and off camera I actually heat emboss couple more of the flowers which we're going to use for today's project. And they are really beautiful and they catch light absolutely stunningly. Now I created mats and layers for my card, and this time I decided to use 8x8 card base. That's why, as you can see, those panels are pretty big. And I've got white card and also gold mirror card. And as usual, I've got double-sided tape on the back and I'm using a little bit of my liquid glue, one and only magic glue, because I want all my panels to be adhered properly and forever. I really want that card to last a long time. Now to create beautiful hearts, I'm going to use this cutting die set from Tonic Studios, and all the names of the products I use in today's video will be in the description down below, so you can check them out. I'm going to create two layers with that bigger heart, and with the small one I'm going to die cut it straight from white card. With the biggest heart, I'm going to die cut it from white card and also from beautiful Centura pearl, which goes on top and gives you really beautiful shine, and it is perfect for any wedding cards because it is so beautiful and it really gives you that luxurious look. And again, I'm using my one and only magic glue, liquid glue, because here, as you can see, it has that fine nozzle which I can use for those small elements to adhere. And now it is time to start decorating all the elements. With the hearts, I'm going to decorate them with that beautiful font for the initials of the bride and groom and also the date of the wedding. As you can see, I die cut all my letters and numbers from gold mirror cut, and this way all the elements will match because we've got gold mirror card for the back panel and also gold embossing powder, and I think that color combo is perfect for weddings. Please let me know if you agree or disagree with this opinion. As you can see, I started with putting the year at the very bottom of the heart and then put the day and the month. And as you can see, I'm starting with the left and right when it comes to day and month, but with the year I decided to start with the middle first because it was so much easier to evenly space all the numbers. Now when those small hearts are ready, I'm going to adhere the initials of bride and groom. And I wonder, do you use initials for your wedding cards or maybe you put whole name? Please let me know in the comments down below. Now I'm doing a dry run before I start putting all those elements together, and this way I'll make sure that everything fits, and as you can see, those small flowers go over a little bit too much, so I'm going to trim them with my scissors, and this way everything will be beautifully placed on my project. I wonder, do you that in your card making projects? If you do you fussy cut all those tiny elements that don't fit, or do you change your element and choose something else? Please let me know in the comments down below. Okay, when all those elements are ready, I'm going to use my one and only magic glue, and I'm going to adhere all those flower vellums here. It was so easy to do it, and now I'm going to start assembling everything together. Now it is time to put that beautiful heart in the middle, and again I'm using my one and only magic glue, liquid glue, to put that heart in the middle. And I wonder, if you create wedding cards, do you use gold heat embossing, or maybe use different color as your main feature? Please let me know. I've got 8 by 8 size card blank, and I'm going to create our card here, which actually I'm just peeling off the double-sided tape, putting a little bit of liquid glue, and our card is nearly done. But there is one thing missing, and if you know me and you know what I like to add in my cards, yes, it is time for gold gems. I think they really add so much to final wedding cards, and I just couldn't resist. As you can see, I put some in the corners and also on the heart. Please let me know, what do you think about this project? I really hope it will inspire you to use your flower stamps in a little bit different way. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget that on Mondays and Thursdays at 5:45 I've got new videos. Thank you so much for watching.